Hello travellers, so today I want to do just a kind of quick unboxing and update to let you know what's going on in February and to show you some of the upcoming reviews. So I'm going to show you this package that I got from Outlier. I've got a couple of pairs of pants and a few merino wool t-shirts. I'm going to be doing in the future kind of a best merino wool t-shirts, and I'm going to be comparing the GOSTWYCK merino from Outlier and the ULTRAFINE merino wool, and then I'm going to be comparing those with a bunch of other ones as well. Also, this is a Outlier supermarine cap, so I'm going to be reviewing this one, testing it out in the rain, and so far it feels really nice. I love the supermarine cotton. It feels very nice and durable, and the colour is quite nice too. In the unboxing you'll also see that I ordered a couple of pairs of pants. Some of them fit well, but some of them were a bit too tight, so I'll be doing like a comparison on the fit of those ones, and I will also be setting them back and trying to get the right size as well. So this first one here is the supermarine cap, and this is a really nice baseball cap made with the supermarine cotton. You can see that just in there. And it's got a really nice adjustable rear section here and a nice cap, and it's got a really nice colour here. So I'm looking forward to doing a review of this one. So this one here is actually a pair of STRONGDARTS, and the fabric is really, really nice. The strong twill fabric is thicker than some of the other offerings from Outlier, but it's a really nice thick material. I can feel that it's really durable and hard wearing. Unfortunately though, this is the size 30, and it's just a bit tight for me, as I'll show you in a moment. The strong dungarees, I got that in a nice dark indigo. I probably should have sized up though. This is size 30, but again, this is just a bit too tight for me. The strong twill fabric is really nice. I can feel that will be a really hard wearing fabric and it won't let you down. So I will try to get those changed to the right size. But otherwise, yeah, really, really nice. Love the dark indigo color. And I'll hopefully be able to do a review of those when I get the right size in. All right, so the next one here is the FUTUREDARTS, you can see. Now I did get these in 31, and this is the dust olive. And these are just the FUTUREDARTS. So they're made with the same fabric as the New Way shorts, I believe, and that's a really nice fabric. Feels really nice and would be great for the summer. Quite like the color too. The dust olive's not bad at all. So really looking forward to showing you more of that one in a future review. And I also got a couple of ultrafine merino t-shirts. This is the forest green. I got the size small here and also the extra small. So I got two sizes just to be sure of which one would fit. I'll be sending back the ones that don't fit, obviously. I did try on the extra small and that fits really nice, but I noticed in the description it does say that the Outlier ultrafine merino shrinks half a size. So in that case I might be sizing to the size small, then washing it and seeing how it fits. But I'll be doing a more detailed review on those very shortly. Now I'm really looking forward to this one myself. This is the GOSTWYCK single origin cut t-shirt, merino wool t-shirt. GOSTWYCK is actually an area that it's actually a farm area, which is about 5 hours drive from where I'm living. So it's actually in the same state as me. And I'm sort of thinking about whether I should go up there to do the review of these ones from where they actually come from. But it is, again, as I said, it's a 5-hour drive. So not sure whether I'll be doing that or not. But let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. So again, I got two sizes here. The extra small and the small, and this is in raw sugar. As you can see, you get a warning on the back about the shrinkage too. These ones actually shrink. I think these ones shrink a whole size after a wash, so that's why I went with the two sizes for this one as well, because I feel like the small size might shrink to fit as an extra small, which is what I usually wear. And finally, I just got another dust olive of the FUTUREDARTS. This is a size 30, but the 31 fits me so well. I think I'll be sending these ones back because they are probably going to be too tight for me. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments which of these reviews you are most looking forward to. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.